Okay, so if I can't even sit up. So if I right now my head's like I'm turtled. If I actually try to sit up, there's no fucking way. I mean, there is absolutely no fucking way. So, I mean, if I hit a little bump, the whole race just, I mean, this. Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So in a previous video, we attempted to test fit our co-driver and he wasn't fitting correctly, which raised a lot of alarm bells. So we put in the driver's seat and put the driver's seat at the exact place that the cage builder had it. Now, the seat, when I sit in it, I can reach the steering wheel, I can reach the pedals, I can reach the hydro, I can reach the shifter, and I can reach the control panel. However, my head, with roll bar padding and a helmet, my head hits here. I mean, it hits, like I can't even sit up straight, it's so bad. So I'm hoping it's just because the roll bar padding isn't permanently installed. Now, we're gonna have to waste some zip ties and do a test install because I don't want to peel this sticky stuff off in case I have to get, I mean, you know, you buy slim padding, but this cross section is still the same, so I don't know what slim is supposed to do except be more expensive. So the problem is we need to fit this padding, and my thought is that if I cut the padding right here at this elbow, it'll give me extra room. So that's what I'm gonna do. The problem is I only want to have to cut this once because I think it's going to be a pain in the ass to cut. I'm going to cut it right. So, we start. I see the things with the padding. So, we call it a 13 is too long. Well, 13 is cut on an angle. We call it a 13 inch. I don't know where I don't want to cut on an angle. So, I'm going to do, and it's a stick. I'm going to do 12. Well, you can just barely see that mark. No, I'm going to cut this one 3 hours ago. So, well, now it's right. It's not fucking time. Then spray all summer, now it starts raining. Nice. Okay. Sorry, here in the background, you probably can't hear that. It sounds like a two-stroke. That's a steel sprayer. So I have a saw. I hope this works. I don't. Be cool to use that, but that's not big enough. I was going to really ruin $20 in padding. Shit, I don't know. You go back. I don't have shelling. I was doing more things to worry about. Okay, so. No, hot wire cutter probably be a much better way to do this. Much less messy, I bet too. But it's not work. Okay, it's actually not so bad. Now, zip ties. Well, she'll need 2 or 3. Probably 2 for test fit. So. You don't need to cut it too short. God damn it. I'm gonna cut that one much longer to make up for that mistake. Well, shit, we're gonna have padding here too, which means, I don't know what that means actually. It means what it means. Okay, it's mounted right. So it's gonna hold itself. I just want to get the zip tie. I'm not sure. Okay, and then, yeah, Adam was here at lunch trying to help me figure this out. He wasn't joking when he said that the zip ties won't compress the padding at all. Doesn't even seem like they're gonna hold it on. Okay, so I'm gonna do, I'm using my GoPro for camera lens, but you can see my face. So I want you guys to know some video of how bad this is, like how hard it's gonna be to get it to fit right. I get the camera to sit on it too. I'm gonna go with the camera. Come on, okay, right there, please don't fall. Okay, just want to tilt back just a bit. Okay. So, this is an SA-115 helmet. This is one of the cheapest helmets they'll allow. But also, it's so cheap, it's very thin junk padding. So, okay, so if I can't even sit up. So if I right now my head's like I'm turtled. If I actually try to sit up, there's no fucking way. I mean, there is absolutely no fucking way. So, I mean, if I hit a little bump, the whole race just, I mean, this is fucking ridiculous. So, I mean, I can kind of, I'm gonna have to put padding here, but I can kind of fit my head here, but Yeah, it's not gonna work. I mean, it's not gonna work. And I can't lean the seat back because then I won't be able to reach the controls because my elbow is fully extended for both the fifth gear, the control panels, and the hydro. So something's not right. Either they're gonna have to cut the floor and weld on lower seat mounts and drop the seat. But if they do that, the harness bar behind me is also too tall because it's designed for me at this height, but the cage isn't tall enough. So I don't know what the fuck went wrong, but got so much work to do left on this car. At least the shifter's done. I'm gonna take some pictures of that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.